In the world of composites, some of the most creative people are in the tooling world, because it's one thing to envision, I want to make this really interesting new thing. It's another thing to actually build the molds to do that, and sometimes that can be really difficult.
I've found some very interesting new technologies I wasn't aware of. The additive printing, the seafoam, it's very interesting, and I'm looking forward to finding out what else there is. I think it's a great collection of people to talk to, learn more about the industry, and yeah, gain that network. So far, it seems like a very good collection of people to do that, and a lot of time allowed in the workshop so far to make that happen. So I've found some interesting potentials for collaboration and expanding our vendor base especially.
I think it's important to be here. You know, I wanted to come last year, and you know, there's always reasons to not come, but it's extremely important to take the time to come.
Do you think you'll come next year?
Absolutely, yeah.
Awesome.